it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In this video I'll be showing you how to make catfish egusi soup. So guys, let's get started. The recipes are grilled chicken breast, oregano, turmeric, bouillon cube, and black pepper, onions, blended hot pepper, boiled mackerel, blended melon seeds, cooking oil, palm oil, salt to taste, spinach. I prepped this before this video. I got a fresh spinach from the market, washed with a little bit of salt in water, did the slicing and kept in the freezer. This is chard spinach. And lastly, roasted catfish. The link to this catfish will be in the description box below. Please do well to check it out. Likewise, grilled chicken. So guys, let's get started. Pour in some palm oil, a bit of cooking oil, and allow to heat. Catfish egusi vegetable soup is ready. So yummy. watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.